All right, viewers, breaking news coming in on the broadcast. Shifting focus now to West Bengal, where the SIR showdown has begun. Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, has said that officials are being deliberately kept busy, that SIR is nothing but an attempt to malign voters, and says that NDA is claiming that there are illegals in Bihar under our own government. Let's first listen into what exactly the West Bengal Chief Minister said, and then we're going to get in my colleague Shreyasi De for more on this.
এই 3 মাস গভর্নমেন্ট যাতে কাজ করতে না পারে সেই জন্য আপনারা ঘুরিয়ে সুপার এমার্জেন্সি করেছেন, অফিসারদের আটকে রেখেছেন এই কাজে। আর বিএলওরা ওদের তো কোনো দোষ নেই, কারণ বেচারা ওদের টিচারিও করতে হচ্ছে আর এটাও করতে হচ্ছে। দুটো কী করে করবে? একটা লোকের পক্ষে সম্ভব? তারা 2 ঘন্টা করে করছে, আমি যতদূর শুনেছি। তা 2 ঘন্টায় কটা লোকের বাড়ি যাবে? এবার আপনারা আমায় বলুন, 2 ঘন্টায় কটা লোকের বাড়ি যাওয়া সম্ভব? এবং ইলেকশন কমিশন স্টেটের থেকে আমি যেটা শুনেছি ফর্ম সব দেয়নি, এখনো কোটি কোটি লোক ফর্ম পায়নি। আমি এখনো মনে করি এটা স্টে হয়ে যাওয়া উচিত।
All right, let's get in Shreyasi De joining us live for more on this. Shreyasi, now the West Bengal Chief Minister says that there has been a super emergency that has been imposed and says that the SIR is nothing but a deliberate attempt to keep the officials busy. Tell us first what exactly is the charge and also the context in which the Chief Minister is saying this.
Well, the West Bengal Chief Minister has once again lashed out at the Centre and the Election Commission for holding the SIR exercise over just about a month's time here in West Bengal. She has also, pointed out that the officials are going to be busy for the next 3 months in conducting this SIR exercise, and right after that West Bengal will go in for elections. So that really means that the administration is going to be busy and will be working at the behest of the Election Commission, because right now the SIR is happening, and right in February we are expecting the Election Commission to announce dates for poll-bound West Bengal as well. And we have seen Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, of course, take contrary stand on national issues to lash out at the centre. She's calling it a super emergency. The Trinamool Congress has linked at least 14 instances of people who have died due to this SIR exercise in West Bengal out of panic. And given the fact that BJP is the prime contender and challenger to the Trinamool Congress in the upcoming elections here in the state, the Trinamool Congress and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee leaving no stone unturned to put out her point of view to the people of West Bengal, saying that this entire SIR exercise is just a muscle flex by the Election Commission to, bring in NRC as well. And the Trinamool Congress also raising this entire issue against the centre and the BJP to really make sure that the people don't, go out and support the BJP, but keep their support with the Trinamool Congress. And she's also asked for a stay on this SIR exercise. But of course, right now, it's been over 2 weeks. The SIR exercise is on here in West Bengal. But the political flashpoint between the state and the Election Commission of India continues.